Baby.
Do it.
What are you doing?
Well, we need wine.
Okay, right there, right there.
We don't own one of those, Larry.
Oh.
If I owned one of those, I'd be an alcoholic.
Now you gotta pull it straight up.
I think this is gonna go everywhere.
Just do it.
No, it won't.
You got it. I'll hide behind
don't
Dad.
twist it.
Go straight up.
It's like
Good thing they have that.
You don't have to be that
It's like
Sorry, dang.
Oh man, you should have drilled in there deeper.
No, it's coming out. It's
Oh, this is very.
I don't see it. This is why I drink beer. Excuse me. I
Yeah,
got beer to
move.
drink. Excuse me. Can't believe you don't have a corkscrew.
oh, I don't want to go so far.
Not enough manpower.
I don't
yeah,
see
it's
it.
coming out.
It's coming out. I don't know.
See, look, Daddy come do it or what?
Oh, he pulls it out.
David.
Okay, Daddy, come here. So,
Oh gosh.
Almost like all the way to the bottom.
I know, isn't that what I said, right? But they don't want to listen to me, but it's cool. Right there? More.
I think it's all.
No, you're good.
No, it's all the way through. This is gonna backfire.
You want to put it up here or you want to put it there? All right.
What about me?
No, you don't.
Hold, Alexis, hold on.
Straight up. That's what I was doing.
Yeah, if
You wanna
go
hold
to
it?
the side, if you go to the side, you'll pull the cork out. There you go.
God damn.
Really, dude?
What? Really? I'm trying. I'm literally pulling like. This is a terrible method, but you have a corkscrew.
If I had one, we wouldn't be doing this.
Oh!